Hello kids, today we will learn 10 spices name Hindi and English. So kids, let's start. Number 1 turmeric, haldi. Number 2 cumin, cumin means jeera. Number 3 coriander, coriander means dhania. Number 4 cloves, cloves means long. Number 5 bee leaf, bee leaf tej patta. Number 6 carom seed means ajwain. Number 7 nutmeg, nutmeg means jaifal. Number 8 garlic, garlic means lahsun. Number 9 cinnamon, dalchini. Number 10 mint, pudina.